The ocean is the largest breath of life on Earth. It is not just a body of water, but a home to millions of species and an essential part of human survival. But today, this mighty ocean is in grave danger. Human negligence, industrial waste, plastic, oil spills, and chemicals have pushed the oceans to the brink of destruction. Every year, millions of tons of plastic fall into the world's oceans, affecting every fish, every coral, and every living creature. But now, a new force has entered the battlefield, one faster, smarter, and more alert than the human eye. This force uses systems and methods that are proving extremely effective in protecting the oceans. Today, we will explore how this modern intelligence is fighting ocean pollution and how it is helping preserve water, fish, and marine life. Watch this video till the end. It will amaze you and completely change your perspective about the oceans. The world's oceans are facing the greatest threat ever. Every year, millions of tons of plastic, microplastics, and industrial waste pollute the waters. Coral reefs are dying, fish populations are declining, and marine life is under severe threat. Experts warn that if pollution continues at the current pace, within the next few decades the number of fish in the oceans may drop to half. This is not only an environmental crisis, it is a danger to human life as well, because the oceans produce half of our planet's oxygen and help regulate the climate. Now, a new technological system has brought a revolutionary change in this crisis. With advanced intelligence, chemical changes in ocean water, oil leaks, and plastic levels can be detected instantly. Modern devices and satellite imagery reveal which areas contain the most plastic, which waters are contaminated, and where pollution is spreading from. These systems issue immediate alerts, enabling authorities to take action right away, millions of times faster and more accurately than human efforts. Robots and drones are also operating in the most dangerous parts of the oceans. They collect millions of data points every day, making the system smarter and more effective, something humans could never achieve on their own. These systems not only identify problems but also help prevent dangers. Along marine routes, they predict possible oil spill zones, detect toxic waste deposits, and minimize chemical leakage risks. This helps maintain the ecological balance and keeps marine life safe. Coral reefs are among the most important marine ecosystems, yet they are severely affected by pollution and climate change. Modern systems detect changes in coral reefs instantly, monitor water temperature and acidity, and guide experts on required measures. They also help protect rare fish and other species by studying their habitats and behavioral patterns, allowing humans to avoid harmful fishing practices or tourism activities. Now, advanced intelligence is also being used to remove plastic and floating waste from the oceans. Automated boats and robotic systems locate plastic clusters, collect waste, and prepare it for recycling. These systems gather thousands of tons of plastic daily, something impossible for humans to do alone. The ocean plays a major role in balancing global climate. Modern systems study water temperature trends, sea level rise, and predict storm patterns. This information helps humans take timely action and reduces the risks associated with climate change. This was the complete documentary on how modern intelligence is protecting the oceans and marine life from pollution. We hope you learned something valuable from this video, and that you share this knowledge with others.